So again, I told you guys earlier that in the previous video that I will also show you how to make your VLC media player as your default media player. So you can see that this icon is the Windows Media Player. By default, it is now on Windows Media Player. So I'm going to change it to VLC Media Player. Just right click on the mouse. You can see some options here. So move your cursor to open with, and then you can see some options here. This is the default media player of your Windows. Just click on VLC Media Player. This is not actually what happens. Sorry. So you can see there is an option here. Choose another app. Just click on choose another app. And then by default it is selecting VLC media player because you don't have any other one. And you just don't forget to select this thing. Always use this app to open .mkb files. Mkb file means the video play, video content. Just click it and then click on OK. So this is how open any types of content. And then you can see the icon has changed into VLC player. This is how you can make your VLC media player as your default media player. So thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.